Unboxing come for free Minty Feather Mist poem, the white Gull. The box is very large, but very good quality. I really wanted the white egret, but this one is still very good. It all came out in one piece. The headpiece feels soft and sturdy. The cane is very heavy. It shows good quality. If doll nudity bothers you, please seek help. The hair is super soft. It feels like good nylon or rainbow high hair. Testing the strung joints. Thank God, the wire is already inside it. She bends at the chest a good amount. There is no wire in the arms. It is more free to move. The thighs also move up, so a crouching pose is more possible. The clothing package is so fancy, I'll save this. I think this is an authenticity thing. Can someone confirm? The user manual is giant and made of very heavy paper. It details everything. How the base doll works, how to style the hair, and even how to put the clothes on. The collectible card is so fancy. I love that it opens. The hairstyling package is very helpful. This is the first time I've received the styling gel. I'm very excited to try it. Even the card in the clothing package is so beautiful. The quality on the clothes are insane. I love it so much. These trousers are my favorite part. All the clothes have a Velcro back for easy dressing. To access the shirt, the BJD comes with a replaceable peg for safe and easy dressing. The Velcro on the shirt has a covering to avoid attaching in the package. That is so thoughtful. Keep in mind, the doll has a bigger bust, so please pull down the shirt. The belt has a metal clasp that's so quality. To address the socks and boots, I switched the feet to the included heeled feet. I was so distracted by the quality of the textiles, I forgot to admire the beautiful paint for the face. Local height comparison. She's all put together. Thank you for watching.